This is a review of Frigidaire Gallery refrigerator. We just got this nice refrigerator, brand new from the store. Got it professionally delivered and installed. Frigidaire Gallery model here is the model number and the information about the refrigerator. So it's a nice refrigerator except for a couple of things. First of all, the huge noise level. It works like a tractor. So if you want a tractor in your kitchen, go ahead and buy Frigidaire. I will stop talking for a second and let you hear the noise that it's making. Here's Frigidaire Gallery tractor for you. If you enjoy this kind of noise in your kitchen, go ahead and buy it. The noise gets carried through the house at night. Even worse, we can't even sleep at night. We called the store and luckily they're willing to exchange it for a different item, so we get a different refrigerator delivered. We were told that Frigidaires are known for being loud refrigerators. Here's another problem for you. The things that the shelves are attached by, these little things I'll show you. This is the I don't know what to call it, the basket from the side of the refrigerator. This is how thin are the things that it's holding on, and it's already broke. It actually broke on the first day. So that's another problem. But the main issue is the noise level. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the noise.